customers simply because they replied too late. A customer messages you on WhatsApp, waits for your response, and before you even reply, they already purchased from somewhere else. But in this video, I'll show you how to create a fully automated WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow, along with a highly converting WhatsApp template message that instantly grabs user attention and encourages them to reply automatically. And the best part, the moment user click on any of the quick button, the chatbot immediately takes over the conversation and reply like a real human being. Ask them to select the product category. Let's say I want to view the men's fashion category, so I'm selecting that option, and see how smartly the bot is sending me products, its pricing, and one quick button, that is buy now. And what if I select the category as women's fashion? Then it shows me the product related women attires. And not only this, the users will also buy any product from this bot. Let me show you this too. See, as soon as I click on this buy now button of this kurti set, within a second the bot starts asking my details, and look at this message. See, this message includes the exact same product that I need to purchase. Let's say I sent my full name as a test user. After that, it is asking me for my contact number. Next, the address. See how smoothly the bot is asking me all my information. After that, it is asking me to select the dress size that I am selecting as M. And you will see I have received the customized order request received message from the bot that includes the exact same name that I have shared, that is test user, product as the kurti set, size as M, and the contact number. It's fully personalized based on my input. Now imagine doing this manually for hundreds of customers every single day. That's almost impossible, but with Pabbly Chatflow, the entire process becomes fully automated. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing chatbots for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual replies. Now let me show you the flow of this chatbot. See, I have designed this flow inside Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder. In real time, this flow works like this, and trust me, the creation process of this flow is the simplest thing that I have ever done. I'll walk you through each and every step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, open a new tab and go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow, and done the sign up process. And you know what is the craziest part? Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process, you will reach towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. For creating a WhatsApp chatbot flow, you just have to go towards this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. And this is the flow that I have already created before for the dresses store. See, this is how the flows look like. And for creating a new chatbot flow, you just have to click on this plus add flow button, and this type of page is going to be appear in front of you. First, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there, and these are the buttons that were used for creating this flow. Now let's understand the first step. See, this is the trigger point of your flow, where at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I have selected my trigger event as template. You can select anyone according to your choice. After selecting the event as template and selecting my template here, this message will look like this. So for creating this type of attractive template, you just have to go towards this templates feature. See, everything is present inside the single tool. See, this is the template feature of Pabbly Chatflow. It is a predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new template, you just have to click on this plus add template button and follow the instructions. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a WhatsApp template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created some template before, and this is the season finale template that we are going to use in this video. After selecting the template, see it includes two quick buttons, name as shop the sale and view catalogs. Now whenever the user will click on the shop the sale button, then my bot will share them this type of list message. See, in real time this message look like this. For setting up this message, you just have to take this list button from here. After that, enter the message in this enter body box. You can also add header and footer if you want to. Click on this add section button, give the section title. After that, click on this plus add items button and add as many as item you want by entering the name in this enter title box. So this is how easily you can add list node inside your flow. You can customize this node completely based on your business content. After this list, I added multiple products, images, its pricing and one button by the name of buy now. So for setting up this type of message, you just have to take this media button from here, select the media type from this list that I'm selecting as image and upload the image from your gallery. After selecting the image, this media button will look like this. And next, enter the details about the product in this enter caption box. And for adding a quick button, just click on this plus add button and give your button name. So this is how easily you can do setup. For adding 3 more types, you just have to click on this add content button, select the content type from here as media. After that, again select the media type as image. Next, upload the image from your gallery. And I am directly copy pasting the data from here because I already created this flow before. So this is how easily you can create this type of messages. In real time, it will send to your users just like this. As whenever the user will select the category as men's fashion, that will automatically send them the available products. So this is how easily you can do the setup of this type of message. And make sure that connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. After that, for the next category, I have done the same. So it means I added the same media button and uploaded the image related to women's category. See, you just have to understand the logic. You can customize the chatbot flow completely based on your own business. Moving forward, I have taken this contact custom field nodes here. Now, what is contact custom field? So contact custom field is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, contact number, product interested, and many more. In simple terms, it is used for sending personalized message to each user. See, in real time, it look like this. As soon as I have clicked on the buy now button of this kurti set, it will automatically mention the same kurti set in this place. So this is only made possible with the help of contact custom fields. In few minutes, you will understand this more clearly. For creating a contact custom field, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Moving forward, in the next step, I have added the question node because whenever the user will click any buy now button of any product, then at first my bot will ask them to share their full name. So for that, I have entered the messages. Great choice. You selected with $symbol product type. So this is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol, automatically the user selected product will come, as I have selected the same contact custom field in each of these nodes. So that's why the personalized product is mentioned here. Now, after adding the question, I have selected the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text, and the number of attempts as 0. Next, in this question node, I ask my user to share their contact number. That's why I have entered the messages, please share your contact number, and selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format as number. See, next I have again given the number of attempts as 0. Now, what is number of attempts? So number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. It also works like this. Here I have selected the format as number, but user will reply to the bot in the format of text or any other format except number. Then on those type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our users so that they can re-answer this question. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like please enter the contact number in the correct format. Here again, I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I again use the question node here for asking the user's delivery address, and then the next I have taken the list button and exactly the same setup that I have done before. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp chatbot flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, I have taken the text button. You can add this text button from here, and in this message content too, I have used the $symbol before some fields, just only for making the data dynamic. And for the last one, I have used the catalog button. You can get this button from here, and the creation of your flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you just have to make sure that to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. So you just have to follow the process step by step and change the message content completely based on your own business and create this type of WhatsApp WhatsApp chatbot flows. It works in real time like this. So if you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. And not only this, with Pabbly Chatflow, you can create complete WhatsApp chatbot system without writing a single line of code. So instead of manually replying to every customer, Pabbly Chatflow helps you to automate conversations 24/7. Businesses are using Pabbly Chatflow because it's a visual flow builder, and even beginners can create a WhatsApp chatbot by doing just drag and drop process. So whether you run a clothing store, salon, restaurant, or an agency, Pabbly Chatflow can automate customer communication for almost every business. Pabbly Chatflow helps businesses save times, improve response speed, and deliver a much better customer experience. So instead of hiring large support teams, businesses can now automate repetitive conversation using WhatsApp chatbots. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. This is especially for my viewers. So grab this offer as soon as possible. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.